A storyboard is a graphic representation of how your video will unfold, shot by shot. At first, this may seem like overkill. Do you really have to plot out each moment? Storyboarding is a crucial step in the video making process. Mapping out your video visually will help you package and refine your ideas. Presenting a detailed storyboard makes it easier to get buy-in and feedback from stakeholders. And sharing your storyboard early on in the process will ensure collaborators and decision-makers understand your vision. It's much easier and less time-consuming to make revisions to a storyboard than a video. Creating a storyboard forces you to work out the details of your video ahead of time. What shots you want, what order they'll go in, and what characters, props, or tools you need. This early stage of the process is the best time to tweak your script and visuals in order to create the most compelling video.